Pyoginiti Sangyolarim Gozushugin, Tarin Pyogaluni Dongyada, Sumshogu, Pendachuniki, 7 Tanga, Chiluni Don Josumle, Downi Bet, Ni Sabin Besangularim Bemsing in Yurishugi. Yagadaram Salatenshi Chebe, Pemi Dixuki, Zinyon Kashata, Chidul Henzo, Timongi Kudiwo, Penangi Pemisor, Dungsim Yamge, Chunjeta, Gijitone, Tade Penangi, Chezarata, Ikoko Benedan Kendota, Gabyorta Becheto, Chinatangbe, Sumjune, Yagasa Dilir, Nimashiringi, Pemi, Dungsim Yamge. Legu shige chewashik bena yobre. Tarin Nimashi Dungsim Yamge ki legu nin tamate cha yobre. Tarin ki legu yang dili sarbe jandar mandar tu na yobre. Tarin legu wa yongzo duzum tone pedon gyabgyon nangke kya ki keche chapsimina ka jigne. Sungshe langwa tanche gaji timon ki Nimashi legu yong sujukta yobre. Tada legu nang yu tu yobe dige sumjikwa namge cawan la ki tarin ki legu na zo kari nang yome tola. Sheba yu diga dejo nang ten.
Taring level ki nima tama dicha tigore taring level nalo ya sasum de taring shoba ne che ani tada janda mandir ki thanchen le ya mima tama thansom tho ne tada bachuli ya nima le ya ta tede jaga ki tojo tumi re pede jabyo chobar re tidan ne to pede to jabyo nang samulo tada chön jombe ki ni sumju soni stigi page and the page and Conan to the Tibetan Tolia, Sense of Kaza Yoda, Tana Shingi Tibetan, Yakio Kande Yoda, today, some shed to snow, Dinalo Neta, Yanga Cheto, show Tangodia, and the Kusha Yeshwan Sinare, the Ram Villas Pass one day, in a Java, look to Togwegi, the Chapter of Haniji, looks over Chick Congress, Chick PGD, Konaniga, the look to Togweg, so the Niga, their page and look to someone, the look to the Shanket to Monele, Tarangi, President of the day, Kabdu, Yevata, President Danyam, David Tabzulia, someone you take the Sunshana, so Tanashingi, and the BGD, Chapter Togwegi, Ram, Ravi Shankar Prasad, the Tanashi University, the Himachal, and Andhra Thakur, Konan to some page and the Konan Tamagi, President Tolia, Senator Kade Yevata, President Tolia, Sana, Tatiki, Sunyamji Yeviki, Susha, Manguna Slow.
मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं आपके ज़हन में एक बात पक्की तरह बैठ जानी चाहिए आपको लहासा जाने का वक्त मिलता है या नहीं मिलता मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता लेकिन आप जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं ये आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए लड़ रहे हैं ये आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए लड़ रहे हैं आज जिन 100 के लगभग लोगों ने आत्मोत्सर्ग कर दिया आत्मदाह कर लिया है जिन्होंने अपने आप को अग्नि देवता के हवाले कर दिया है वो किस लिए मर रहे हैं किस लिए आत्मोत्सर्ग कर रहे हैं वो अपने लिए नहीं कर रहे
जुगदम जी तेगु दिलिया था कोना जुगी तमसे टुबे जेने त पांजे सोदु सोदा त सोशन दा अनि सिग्यो छोगी सुसे नाया रेशलाओ अदिने दी जेने चने अनि जेने मंदने चने त रामलीला बदलिया कोम्बे नाया की दूसरे लेगु चिना शलाओ
Dili talak tora tsere na chize sumchu legu ngus unzu ki nimur kunde zor kyaga ki silin shönba surbata BJP chapsi sokbe pönre gende Kushev Lal Krishna Advani chota kyaga shungzin kongres sokbe shungde kusabta twezo wome tumi yimba jamku priyadat cho Jammu Kashmir ngade shungzin sokbe tumi Kushev Hassan Khan chota kyaga twezo kongme tumi ta kongres sokbe shungde kusab Dr. Sudarshan Nachiyapan choje chepeb na yobre unje zegor pande jitu chozu choki legu ngote ta sikyon choki legu ta dewe sungshe na yobre
Honorable former Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani ji, Priyadat Hassan Khan, and Sudarshan ji, and all others who are sitting on the dais. Your presence here means a lot to Tibetans. At this critical juncture of Tibet's history, when Tibetans, not just one, but 99 of Tibetans have self-immolated and have left this world, many of them, saying, we are leaving this world because the occupation of Tibet by People's Republic of China is unacceptable. Repression of Tibetans is unbearable, that we would choose to die than leave, and freedom for Tibetans. They want to see His Holiness the Dalai Lama, as we have seen many times over, as we have heard many times over. But Tibetans in Tibet are saying, His Holiness is our leader. We deserve to see Him. We deserve to hear Him. We deserve to be blessed by Him. This is the aspiration of Tibetans inside Tibet, and this is the dream of Tibetans inside and outside. And Tibetans in Tibet are determined to regain their freedom. And we in Tibetans outside are determined and take this as a sacred duty to support them. In that sense, I think it's auspicious that we are having this solidarity with Tibet demonstration in the capital city of India, New Delhi. Because India represents unity in diversity. India represents development with democracy, a model for many countries in the world should follow. And we are really grateful to India to be our host, because in India, our host country are so generous, and Indian leaders are so supportive, that we are allowed to have this event here in the capital city of India, when in fact the same right is denied to Tibetans in Tibet. So it's a testament of India's democracy. It's a testament of Indian support. It's the testament of Indian love and sympathy towards Tibetan people. But let me report to you, Tibetans in Tibet have spoken. Tibetans in exile have spoken. Not only in our hearts of hearts we believe we will regain our freedom and His Holiness will return to Tibet, but in our head also we believe it is the legacy of the elder generation Tibetans, led by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, with his vision for democratic Tibetan community, his energy and his dedication to the Tibetan cause, the 60 years that he led us so brilliantly, fulfill the dreams of our elder generation. Hundreds and thousands of them passed away. Our parents, our grandparents passed away. And inside Tibet, many are dying on a daily basis without able to see His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Many are sacrificing their lives so that our dreams could be fulfilled, our aspiration could be achieved. And I can say with absolute certainty, from the holy land of India, we will go to holy city of Lhasa one day soon with His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
We have gathered here for 4 days. We have gathered here for 4 days not to celebrate any occasion. We have gathered here to express our solidarity, to express our sorrowness, to share our feelings with the Tibetans inside Tibet. As of 22nd of this month, 90 and their conditions, whether they are being treated well or not. The situation inside Tibet is getting more and more grave, day by day. The new measures taken by the Chinese government to curb the Tibetan peaceful resistance are adding fuel to the fire. Even after imposition of, in latest cases, of intimidating family members of self-immolators, and also village people who participate in mourning the death of self-immolators, and those people who even give donation for those kind of, people who have self-immolated. These people are also being victimized through legal prosecution. Despite all this, self-immolations are happening.
Tengdi legu chemo unje ki kuntre zor kushab lal Krishna advani chogi zamling di na konstale lama chota bu uti mebata kongi nime gongshetar pöden tseme shiwe lamne seko bata tirab nisajik di na shide lamne pöki kanyo de seto bayena tirab nyerjik wati pöta gyana ki tirab shila gyurwe revayo che songyo bre.
ये इतने बड़े हमारे बड़ी संख्या में आए हुए तिब्बतन भाई और बहन उनके मन में कितनी कृतज्ञता की भावना है भारत के प्रति, आर्यवर्त के प्रति, जिसका उल्लेख भी इस गीत में हुआ। शायद यहाँ पर इतनी आयु के नहीं होंगे, लेकिन मैं उनमें से हूँ कि जिनकी आयु आज़ादी से 20 साल पहले जन्मा। 1947 में आज़ादी मिली, मेरा जन्म 27 में हुआ, तो इसीलिए वो सारा घटनाक्रम हमको याद है उस समय का, कि जिसके कारण इतनी बड़ी संख्या में तिब्बत के निवासी उनको अपना तिब्बत छोड़ करके भारत आना पड़ा। I am here, I represent today an opposition party, the principal opposition party in the parliament. And the ruling party is represented also by two of my parliament colleagues here. They are present here. Priya Dutt is here. Dr. E.M. Sudarshan is here from Tamil Nadu. One from the north, one from the south. And we feel touched by your love for India, and we feel ourselves inspired for your aspiration to see that you are able to return to Tibet.
Chosun jamgu priyadat choki kyan thabar pötin si miriki tuendo pöna pömi kubju korgu rangso ledong nawe kongnambe ningdobla kuzi shunang watante thabar pötin la gyabgyor ta tonang chebashi mutu gyabgyor nangyu yinbe tamshe nangdo.
I have many friends who are Tibetans in Mumbai, and I have heard stories of the refugees coming in, the suffering their parents have gone through, the hardships their parents have gone through. But yet, their struggles have carried on. We have youngsters who have studied here, who are born here, and who are contributing to our nation. As you so beautifully expressed your thanks to India, we reciprocate and thank you. We thank you for His Holiness Dalai Lama, for his presence in our country, for his blessings for all of us. In our culture we say, Atithi Devo Bhava. We equate our guest to God. And we feel, for us, it is our duty to take care of our guests. This is, and why we are here today, this is a collective appeal for the people of Tibet, for which we all are here. And here we all stand united for this cause. I salute the spirit and determination of the Tibetan people.
대한나시 갸가 창조 jammu kashmir da lojo trezo tumi namni ne kyang pöden sungshe na yebre. Tene legunin ibeto dani chebo gandhi kubong shuyu rajgardo pögyu nangde ki kuzab kasur kyabje kirtir muche chotan gyaga dan shirlange nangba ishu khashe jirbuwa hindu sikh bahe jiuje ki chöbe nabata pepe gindu ba namba pande sikyong chotan peme ma chitu henzo ki chozu cho kanyu dan chitu namache lenshu nangne jir zamling shide tan labar tu pöna rangnu mese tongkhen chwe che to rangrang ki lokshi melam sungden ta tene pande sikyong losang senge chotan chitu chozo pembe sirin choso kanyon ta chitu nambe neti de pemi ta phedo gyabyo waje kyomi tang dindong hana jandar mandar par shiwe kongde na yobre 치제직 레규 닌수베가 미망 도점게 멜라무 우르덴타 닌경 세제 테네 고발부 베김로투 카지게 게나슈게 탐다 시지워 타다 페나 페미서 까두 칸다시 용신 예베 담주 투무시 탑되나 예브레 잔더만더도 레규 닌수버 장경 겨외가서 간데 티도 야드니바 리존세 림부체 초다 기르드건베 울라 가술 캡제 기르드 림부체 초 남니게 멜람 우슈제 예브레 초송 야가게 치시 벤조 대순지에게 른친 나뇽게 구십 자순 싱초 제베기 공기 페미소다 냠도 동심 냠게 슈규 고급 중화를 깨어 상부중 페미강의 용랑 아주 샘잡다 겹결 요제 송여브레 yang yagar phedo gyagyo wa kha jigne dige sargyo be chendi thanglen ki konje theng de leguna nyamshu chene phena ki netang kha shedo chungso phena phemisor kyana shung ke duzub siji latar chashi bardene phemisor khaju shi narju nyongshi yobata dela tene tabar phemi kubju khogu rangni symbol message chago thubo so shesongwe ngajo gyagar sammare jamning mima yong ke phemisor gyagyor chego ngajo kyana shung ne phemisor narju khaju shi tongshi ba dela thaji dongo go ye jesungdo
इस प्रोग्राम में आने के बाद मुझे हकीकत मिला कि हमें दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए ऑलरेडी मैं मदद कर रहा हूँ लेकिन यहाँ पे आने के बाद जिस तरीके से हमारा हिंदुस्तान आप लोगों का इस्तकबाल किया तिब्बती लोगों का इस्तकबाल किया और इसका फुल योगदान करने को तैयार है इसी तरीके से मैं चाहता हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान ही नहीं बल्कि पूरा मुल्क पूरी दुनिया तिब्बतियों का हेल्प करने के लिए पूरा एकदम तत्पर रहे और तैयार रहे क्योंकि जुल्म जो है कोई नहीं सिखाता जुल्म जो है कोई नहीं सिखाता हमें जुल्म के ख़िलाफ़ जाना चाहिए जुल्म अगर कोई करता है हमारे ऊपर हम उसके खिलाफ जाना चाहिए और जुल्म को हमेशा मोहब्बत से हमें क्या नाम है उसको छुपाना चाहिए मेरा नाम
पूरे देश से कहता हूँ और इंशाअल्लाह हमारे यहाँ का गवर्नमेंट चाहेगी कि आप लोगों के साथ तिब्बतियों के साथ जुल्म ना हो कमज़ोर का साथ देंगे इंशाअल्लाह
बिल्कुल महसूस नहीं बल्कि नाराज़गी और तकलीफ़ हो रही है जिस तरीके से तिब्बत के लोगों पर जुल्म ढाया जा रहा है वहाँ पर चीन के लोगों द्वारा चीन की सरकार के द्वारा हम इसका विरोध करते हैं और हम तिब्बत के लोगों की हिमायती हैं और उसी हिमायत में हम आज यहाँ मेवात से चल के पहुँचे हैं हम चाहते हैं कि तिब्बत के लोगों पर जुल्म बिल्कुल बंद कर दिए जाए
हमारे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि पूरे एशिया और सेंट्रल एशिया में लोग फैले हुए हैं और हम ये चाहते हैं कि उनका एक कोलैबोरेशन होना चाहिए आर्थिक रूप से सामाजिक रूप से
90-99 लोगों ने जान दे दी जिंदा जल गए और वो ह्यूमन राइट्स को इससे बड़ा दुनिया में कोई मिसाल नहीं मिलेगी यूएनओ को इनके वीटो पावर को कैंसिल कर देना चाहिए
निमिशी लेगु तन्यमदो छे सुमजुने गोजुदे चुरी कलन पेमछिंजोर छोता ठेदेन कलन चिरि वंजु छो चिति तुपदेन लुंगरि छो जेके उठिबे छोचुंखा सुमसोसोने ग्यास दिलिरियबे शुंजब खाता गिजि दिगजुखा नेयु मिनाचे जेथे शुनाने फेदेन शुकुके लेरिमशी क्याना यब्रे खसंबा छेदे पेरि निशु लाजमशी जेथे जुंसिदो 다른 까지니기 베드엔 레규 체무대 영수 주디 여브레 야가기 갸서 딜리 팅디 슌데 레규나 반데 시경 초다 지디 초주초 깔륜타 지디나바 베베 라젠 카지 으베 겐디바나바 야가 출루 담미기 우티타 첩시미나 체가 히말라야 미리 야가단 페유 두체네 페미 겐달 슌숨게 갸세르 미망 동타 카제제 큐미당 듄동하데 냠슈체 여브레
The light has gone out, I said, and yet I was wrong. For the light that shone in this country was no ordinary light, for the light represents the living truth, the eternal truths, reminding us of the right path, drawing us from error, taking the ancient country.
타돔 탱디 레규규 겨르도 게지 망초 트 페난 네당 자탕르 가주식 요메 달렌당 페미용라 수수 계급체도 미랭오레 탁벌긴 가주식 요메 탱규체여브레 Kianashune Penaki Ranglu Meseki Tunkentan Deva Yobe Nyeming Wo Ngabane Lo Shipju Yimbe Lopsang Kunjola Lo Ni Naryanki Soto Timta Je Yobatan Kongi Tsawo Lo Sumju Soji Yimba Lopsang Tsirin La Lo Ju Zunju Je Pemini La Timta Je Simbatan Yangya Ranglu Meseki Tunkentan Tene Lavrang Ne Pemi Tula Dunyu Lo Sumne Jungni Parki Zunju Timta Je Yobre Pemi Tubo Pema Tuntubla Lo Jungni Tang Kesang Gazola Lo Jukji Pema Sola Lo Ge Lamu Tuntubla kyabla lo du dugar kyabla lo shi yangmuki la lo sumche ki zunju timda je yubredo kyundombe phimi gyebu theta ki ranglu mese tonggobe gyugu cheyebe nyiming wola timda tenda jendo neju theto phimi dungsim yamke legu ki sargu chojung ki gen zo sheken nangsi kalwen gyarjoma choki chendo ne khasang chi chikhobe sargu seta shi pene phimi gyebu theta la timje jibu tenda jebal phimi dikzongwe ne kyana shungi chajwe la gyönjwe tante phimi to timje jikje ni du je shimbate phena phimi sor shize dromi toptan meba sedön cheyo jedang nedang tente gembe tabar phimi gupju khogu rangnu mese tanggo tuyo jesongdo yanneju teto ari thongke New York na deshi chebe dromi toptan toship chobe kyang 지다식 배대 견나숑네 비미 대달라 소팀타 두가 준주기 팀다 제바 대단히 비미 시규 레규 짬에 소답체 니메 니주 체바식 임벌레 당대기 팀실식 멤버다 견나숑기 자주 대다 참조 제대 랑류 메세기 규견 지인 세도 투바 체고 제주도 디참네 다른기 생규가 쉬심이 행게네 시심데 벽기니티 생규레제레 남조영 아주 생규레름식과 더셰 샴라 남식원다다 면직한게 세상에 글로스르나
벽게로 니도 자다 숨주세고 변다중니 체 니슈 작숨다 칠로 니도 조숨 진다니와 치제숨 레사니마 중제멜룽 퇴저상웨 링고 하서다 룸다 다르죠 족바 뼈릭 제제체바 김장 sarwasumba lakanda kusu tukden shemba gabo nyebola gade söden shamba keche ledin rigdan leshi sarwa gozung nawa chela sangwa yin yönkyan diinin ula kelyobe yunor pyeonjen chiro tongwa ngemba yinbe zemba nanggo shenya ula ge tochesu pa ge ribe chikse shobuten lagbe rimoshik thide ribel gi khokbar chukje towar angi ngashik thibe ula gi nyeba thubar sungye khonse chedangni phui namge yinbe chotapsu 미카 단도 차신 남자 추당 송되된 대신 빠기 미숙 충무식 쇠대 충를 접에 낭돌룩 대르 챙게 대과탕 옴 부스 창식 노르초 디디 꾸르에 소하 셰 장외투 백gel로 니동자다 숨주세고 편다 중니 체니 슈잡시타 칠로 니동 쪽섬 진다니와 치제시 레사다와 중퇴 출롱 퇴저 셴바이 나양 나드 라고 차스 주당 까마 중니네 중퇴 매추 퇴저 녜바 줄기 예베 대든 이삽 난거 회원자 마기 남교 임베 쩨탑니 겐젠제모 뽕겐 된바타 옴 마질라 톰라 타나보 쇠셰 nga데 탕웨 ngin데 시베 페뉴예 디인 신감 친자샤 두주드니죠